As a project manager, I used to spend all my time at job sites like this. Sometimes it got messy, but CompanyCam helped me clean it up. Now, I can organize projects, document progress, and keep everyone in the loop from anywhere. At this new build, I pass along important info to avoid getting stuck here. And at this foundation project, I dig into progress updates so I don't get buried in the details. Hey, no, dump that on the north side! This room needs paint before we wrap up. And I keep it moving so I don't get wrapped up in it myself. Whoa, marketing is going to love these before and afters. CompanyCam integrates with the tech my company already uses and loves. Plus, their top-notch support team is actually supportive. Miss you, Lucas. CompanyCam is the job site management tool to add to your tech stack. Get started today at companycam.com.